The main opposition party APC don announce say dem go start constituency election across di kontri on Tuesday 30th June 2026. Inside one public notice wey di National Secretary General Anthony Dumbuya bin sign on di 14th June 2026 say di party tok say di election go take place na all constituency dem wey don complete di ward election process. However, the directive no include constituency dem wey get pending complaint on ward election result. The Independent Election Complaints Board still dey review some petitions, and the party say election for the area dem dey go happen after the review process don complete and authority dem give further instruction. APC party bin explain say the constituency election na important stage for strengthening democracy inside the party and prepare the organisation for further political activities. The party don call on all aspirant delegates and supporters to cooperate with the Independent Election Management Committee so that the process go remain free, fair, peaceful and transparent. According to the statement, the Political Party Regulation Commission (PPRC) and the Sierra Leone Police don already receive information about the planned election. The Sierra Leone Meteorological Agency don alert citizens say this year rainfall season don start late na some parts of the country. During an interview on Women's Voice Online TV, the public relation officer for the Sierra Leone Meteorological Agency Sussex I. Kamara explain say although rain don start na some areas, other areas dem still dey experience delay compared to the normal rainy season pattern. According to am, climate variability and changing weather conditions dey continue to affect rainfall distribution across Sierra Leone. E encourage farmers, local authorities and community members to pay close at ten tion to weather forecast before dem make major farming decisions. Mr. Kamara say settlement dey continue to monitor weather development and go provide regular updates to the public through media platforms and official communication channels. He also advise people to prepare for possible heavy rainfall and flooding once the season fully established, especially in low-lying communities and flood-prone areas. Settlement reassure the public say dem dey work closely with government institutions and disaster management stakeholders for ensure timely weather information say dem go reach the public. You dey lis ten to News Hour wey dey come to you from Women's Voice Online TV. Sierra Leone police say dem don arrest over 39 pikin dem in connection with the violent clashes wey bin happen Friday around the Freetown Secondary School for Girls Gate, Zonta Bypass Road, Brookfield. Dem pikin wey involve bin comot from Albert Academy, Collegiate School, National Pentecostal School and the Prince of Wales School. According to authorities, investigation still dey continue into the allegation of riot conduct and public disorder. Regional Commander for Freetown West, Assistant Inspector General Sylvester Kuruma say some of the pikin dem get for appear before court on Monday 15 June 2026 if evidence support possible charges. Police don appeal to school authorities, parents and guardians to help maintain discipline among the pikin dem and prevent further incidents. President Julius Maada Bio don direct authorities for demolishing legal structures wey don spring up around Itakugama Chimpanzee Sanctuary. The instruction bin come up during one inspection tour of the historic and tourism sites across the country. According to State House, the president expressed concern say unauthorized construction activities dey threa ten environmental conservation efforts and the protection of one of the Sierra Leone most important tourism attractions. President Bio emphasize say to prevent national habitat and tourism assets na key part of the government effort for boost tourism and protect national heritage. The visit form part of the wider inspection activities wey dey aim for promote tourism development and ensure historic and environmental sites go remain protected for future generations. One member of parliament for Bauchi State wey na the deputy leader one of government business Honorable Bashiru Siliki raised concern on the proposed partnership between Seratel and Africell. He talked this during one meeting between the Parliamentary Committee on Communication Technology and Innovation and the Ministry of Communication Technology and Innovation. Mr. Salim Abad said the committee say under the proposed mobile virtual network operator agreement, Africell go get 88% of the revenue, while government through Seratel go get 12%. This make Honorable Siliki question the fairness of the agreement, wey say Seratel brand and the state-owned assets go attract the bigger share. E also raise concern say Africell go dey manage and market Seratel service dem while dem still dey operate as rival na the telecommunication sector. Inside im own response, Minister Salim Abba explain say Africell go provide the infrastructure, technical expertise and operational funding for the MVNO service. Dem also clarify say management of Seratel assets no go give Africell exclusive rights over the infrastructure. However, members of parliament say dem go need foresee and review the full agreement before dem make am final decision, citing concerns about competition, transparency and protection of public assets. For news updates, me na Patricia Kabwa.